Welcome to 107 River Ridge Drive in Hawkinsville. Join me inside this all-brick, 4-bedroom, 2-bath home, 2,150 square feet on half an acre. You won't be disappointed by this open concept floor plan, tray ceiling, views of the golf course from your living room, your breakfast room, loads of cabinets, stainless steel appliances, and a kitchen island. Let me show you this pantry. Your master bedroom offers tray ceilings with can lights, more views of the golf course. Master bath has a tile shower, a separate tub, his and her sinks, and a very large closet. And the cherry on top is this covered patio overlooking the 12th hole on Southern Hills Golf Course. Thanks for joining me today.